Do it.
Okay, I'm going to do it. So we thought the conditions crossing the Pacific would be slow, gentle, head sails out, warm conditions, long days, going slowly, and instead we're in 20 knots of wind on the beam, going 10.1 knots a time, sustained over 9 knots a good amount of the time. Of course, that's not all boat speed, that's a bunch of current too. So, quite exciting. Makes for a little bit of a rolly thing. Compliments to the chef for all the food that she's produced under these conditions. My life's easy, all I have to do is do sail changes.
And we have seen many flying fish that fly at least 3 feet.
We have.